If your downspout is leaking at the joints, fixing it fast can save you from a lot of water damage headaches. So, first off, check where exactly the leak is coming from. Usually, it's those little joints where the sections meet. You want to clean those areas real good, like get rid of dirt and old sealant so the new stuff sticks better. Next, grab some waterproof sealant or gutter caulk and apply it right around the joint, making sure you cover any cracks or gaps. Tightening the screws or clamps that hold the downspout sections together can also stop leaks because sometimes they just get loose over time. If you notice any bent or damaged parts, try to straighten them out or replace them if needed. Remember to test it by running some water from a hose after you fix it to make sure there are no drips left. Doing this before the rainy season hits can seriously prevent bigger problems like basement flooding or foundation issues. Keep an eye on the gutters too, since clogged gutters often cause extra pressure on the downspouts, making leaks worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make with downspout leaks is ignoring small drips, which then turn into bigger leaks that mess up your walls or foundation. Fix small leaks by sealing and tightening joints early. Another common issue is using the wrong kind of sealant. Make sure you pick a waterproof, flexible one meant for outdoor use to avoid it cracking or peeling off. Lastly, not cleaning the joints before sealing is a big no-no because dirt and debris stop the sealant from sticking properly. Scrub those areas well before applying anything new. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking to find trusted local contractors who know their stuff and won't leave you hanging. For contractors, it's a great way to get steady work by connecting with folks who actually need help with projects like fixing downspouts or other home repairs.